Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
You'll know your pumpkin is getting ready to roll when you see him pushing up on his hands during tummy time. Other clues to watch for: he may lift a hand in the air while pushing up off his belly, or move a leg across his body while lying on his back. Most infants turn from tummy to back first. 14 May 2015.
Let's help you make your mark.
Experts recommend beginning sleep training when babies are 4 to 6 months old. This age range is the sweet spot, since babies are old enough to physically make it for 6 to 8 hours overnight without needing to eat, but aren't quite at the point where the comforting you provide has become a sleep association. 2 April 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
Most babies can roll over by 6 months, and many do so much earlier. Every baby is different, and a range of factors, such as premature birth, can affect when they hit milestones. However, significant delays in rolling over may point to a problem with their motor skills. 29 September 2020.
Take our lead.
4 to 6 months old. In general, you can stop burping most babies by the time they are 4 to 6 months old, according to Boys Town Pediatrics in Omaha, Nebraska. Babies can be burped in many ways and while being held in a variety of positions. 16 April 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
Rolling over is your baby's first big milestone on the road to getting mobile, and it usually happens around 4 months, but a little later or earlier is totally normal. At first your baby will only roll from his belly to back. This is easier because he can use his arms to help him take off. 2 July 2015.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.